good, you guys. Let me just make sure that this mic is on because I had an issue last time and it was not on. It is on. What is good, my YouTube followers? It is your girl Tanisha. I am here to do a TEMU unboxing and a TEMU try on haul all in one, you guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys the products that I did pick up. You guys, I'm going to show you guys how the products actually looked, and then I'm going to show you guys how they look on me. So like I said, I did do this before and my camera, well, my mic was not on, so I already have it unboxed. So I'm just going to pull it up, show you guys one by one, show you guys what I got and all the good stuff. Okay, so I picked up 5 clothing items. Okay, guys, 5 whopping clothing items. The price that I paid for all of these products, not only clothing, I got nails as well. If you guys had not seen my video, my previous video, make sure you guys check that out. Okay, guys, I am showing you guys how to do press-on nails so that they are able to last, you guys. These press-on nails that I've had them for about a week now, and they aren't going anywhere, and these nails are gonna last up to 3 weeks. So make sure you guys check that out. If you guys wanna pick up some nails from TEMU, you can use that same instructions and you can put your nails on and make them look great and stay fresh and not fall off. Okay, you guys? But yeah, I just wanted to mention that. So yeah, you guys, I picked up 5 items, you guys. When I say these clothes, my Jamaican language is coming out, but when I say them my clothes, yeah, these clothes, you guys, look so nice. The quality is so nice. I could have paid $60 for one of these items, you know what I mean? But child, when I tell you I paid $60 for 5 items, for 5 clothing, as well as the nails, as well as some waist beads. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna show you guys everything that I bought one by one. All right, you guys, so let's see. So the first one that I'm going to show you guys is this Boston sweater that I picked up. It is amazingly beautiful, you guys. Okay, let me show you guys. This is what I asked for. I'm doing that, what I asked for and what I got. That's what I asked for. And this is what I got. The quality is so soft. I'm gonna try it on as well so that you guys can see how it looks on. It is so soft, you guys. It is so nice. It's not too thick, which is okay, because I don't really like my clothes too thick. It all depends on if I'm just wearing it outside, but I usually wear a jacket anyway, so it has a good fabric, you guys. It's very soft. Okay, so that's that. If you guys don't know, I'm actually closer to Boston. That's why I picked up that sweater. I live in Dudley, but Boston is really close to where I'm at, so I picked up that sweater, you know, to represent. And then the other sweaters, excuse me, you guys, the other sweaters that I picked up, I am a Christian and I do believe in Christ. I do believe Jesus is King. I believe in our Heavenly Father. He's done a lot for me. He showed me a lot of ways, so I do like to share his word through my clothing, through my style. You know what I mean? I like to share his word through that. So I picked up a few things. I saw some things on TEMU that I really liked that was proclaiming his word in a sense, you know what I mean? So I picked some of those things up, and yeah, so I got this sweater. It says faith on it. It's a cute little faith sweater. That's what I asked for, you guys. And then let me show you what I got. I love this sweater, you guys. This is a sweater that I got. Writing looks perfectly the same. It's accurate. It's so soft. You guys, it's so soft. I love it. Very, very soft, you guys. The quality is great. It's not like an off black. It's a perfect black. Everything is good about it. I love it, you guys. All right, and then I also picked up a t-shirt as well. the t-shirt says, Jesus, he'll be here for you. Mind you, everything that I did pick up, I made sure to look at the reviews, because the reviews are very important to me. Like, in order to figure out what size you want, in order to figure out how the sizes look, you look at the pictures from other people send. That's why it's so important, I think, you guys, to leave reviews, because it gives a chance for other people to actually see how the quality looks on someone else, you know. So I'm very grateful when someone leaves a review, you know, and I try to do that as well. I try to leave reviews on products because it helps the consumers, you know, and in return it helps all of us as a collective, you know. So I really, really like that, you guys. So that is what I asked for, and this is what I got. Such a nice fit. Everything that I ordered in a large because I wanted it to be a bigger size. Okay, you guys. So we have that, and then the last piece of clothing that I picked up was this cute. This is what I asked for. This cute essential sweater. So like I said, everything I picked up was a large, and to be honest with you guys, the large is pretty big. You know, it was kind of iffy on whether to get a medium, because sometimes mediums run very small. So I said, just to be on the safe side, I'd rather it to be an oversized look than a small look, you know what I mean? So I picked up larges. This is what I got. And that's what I got, you guys. Like I said, I'm going to try all of these on so you guys can actually see how they look on me. Okay, you guys. And then I picked up a hat as well. Let's see if I can find my hat. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how the hat looks, what I ordered, and what I got, okay? So this is the hat. That's what I ordered. And this is the hat that I got. Look how nice this hat is. Look at the fabric, the lining. It's perfect, you guys. No errors, you guys. I love it so much. Like I said, you guys, it's insane I paid $60 for all these items, because if I was to buy it on Amazon, I would easily pay $200, you guys. Honestly, if you ask me, I think TEMU is 100, not 100, but TEMU is pretty up there. It's pretty up there when it comes to quality. It's pretty up there when it comes to being better than eBay and Amazon, because eBay and Amazon charges, I don't even know where those secret charges come from, but you know that TEMU is coming shipped from a Chinese corporation, so you know that the quality is gonna be, not the quality, you know that it's gonna be cheaper, you know, and you're gonna get the same products that you get on Amazon, on eBay, on these bigger consumer websites, at TEMU for a cheaper price. You guys, go out and try TEMU. I want to help you guys out, so I'm gonna go ahead and put like a 30% off. It might be a little bit less, but I think it's gonna be 30% off. I'm gonna put that down in the description, you guys, so you guys can see that and you guys can use that for checkout, so you save even more money. You guys, this is for new users, this is for old users. You guys, check TEMU out. Like I said, I don't know if I mentioned this in my first one, in my second one, because like I said, my first time the camera went out, but I only waited 5 days for this. I got this in 5 days, you guys. So my last video, I said that the waiting was one week and a half, but I think it was because it was around Christmas time. But this one, you guys, 5 days. That's all. I was like, no, my order is not here yet, and it was here. You know, I was shocked. I was like, wow, my order came really, really quick. So I'm like, TEMU, stop playing with them. It came really fast, so I was thankful, you know. So, all right, you guys. So I'm gonna show you guys I kind of have everything scattered around. Yes, so the waist beads, you guys. So I bought these waist beads. I want to tell you guys, I bought 3 waist beads. I think it comes with like 5, but I bought 3 waist beads like a few days ago on Amazon, you guys. Guess how much I paid for them? I wish I didn't even buy them, but guess how much I paid for them? I paid $30 for 3. They were smaller than these, you guys. They were smaller, you guys, and I paid $30 for them. Okay, you guys, and guess how much I paid for these? Can you guess? 5, 10, 20? It comes with 5, by the way. I paid $30, girl. $30. I paid $4, girl. $4. I didn't even pay $30. I paid $4. And these look bigger, they look better. I can't wait to add them on, but if I knew that, I could have got 2 sets of these. I could have got 3 sets of these on TEMU, you know. But yeah, I just want to start back wearing my waist beads so I can get into shape, and it allows my shape to turn out better, to look better. So that's why I like wearing waist beads. And if you're from the islands, you know, us island girls, I'm Jamaican, we wear waist beads. You know, it's just something that was kind of like a cultural thing, but we know that it helps with our shape. It helps us to watch our shape so we know what we're eating and what we're not eating in our intakes. So that's why I picked up some of these, and I'm happy to try it on. I probably won't try these on for you guys, but I'm happy that I picked them up. Okay, guys. So last but not least is my nails. Like I said, I am getting into the groove of using press-on nails, continuously using press-on nails. So I picked up 5 of them, and I'm gonna show you guys how they look. Okay, guys, so this is the first one. Look how nice that is, you guys. Isn't that nice? I freaking love this, the design. It is beautiful, you guys. Okay, that's one. If you guys hear anybody in the background, it's my boyfriend. He's playing his game. So that's one, you guys, and this is the second one. Look at that, you guys. I can't wait to try these on and wear them. Like I said, if you guys want to see how you put these on, if you do want to pick them up, they were only $125 on TEMU, you guys, $125. So I think you should pick them up, girl. But if you guys want to see how to pick them up, how to make them last and not just pop off like the next hour you put them on, check my video, you guys. I promise you, you will not go wrong. It shows everything that you need to do in a short amount of time, and it shows how to make them last. Okay, guys, so yeah, this is the third one. Love it, love it, love it. And this is the fourth one, you guys. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that nice? I love them so much. And this is the fifth one. Hopefully it's focusing on them. You guys can see it. Alright, you guys, and that concludes my haul. Like I said, I got the sizes large, so if you want to pick up larges on TEMU, just look at me and look at my sizes. Okay, you guys, I'm not really a skinny girl. So I did pick up size larges so they can fit me really nice. Alright, you guys, so thank you guys so much. I am so happy and blessed of all the love that I've been receiving from my other TEMU video. It just keeps going up. I am grateful. I love the comments. Everybody's telling me what they got. You know, if you picked up clothes, tell me what you picked up. If you picked up anything other than clothes, or if you picked up jewelry, tell me what you picked up, because I want to know so that I can buy it as well. You know what I mean? I want to make sure that these products are good quality products. And when I hear from you guys, you know, you guys tell me what you actually picked up, it gives me the chance to say, okay, I'm going to try it. I'm going to pick it up. My next haul will probably be jewelry, because a commenter did mention the jewelry is amazing there, so I'm going to pick up the jewelry next time. But you know, this time I had to try the clothes because I was like, you know what? I want to try the clothes. It's funny because I was gonna pick up a necklace, but I already placed my order, and I'm like, ugh. So it's okay. Next time I'm just gonna do a haul strictly jewelry, and then I'm gonna do a quick little try on of that as well, so you guys can see the quality, see if they look like good jewelry. And I just give nothing but honest reviews, you know. I'm not getting paid for this, you guys, trust me, I am not. But I just want to let you guys know the code that I am gonna give you guys below. Make sure you guys use that code, you guys. You want to use that code because you want to get some deals, and that code is going to give you the 30% off in addition to the other deals that they do give you on TEMU. Okay, guys, so thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Thank you for ending this video. I'm so grateful. I am now at 98 subscribers as we speak. You guys, I remember when I was at 34, and I've only been doing this for a few months, so I am very very grateful, and I'm only going to continuously share with you guys more quality products, more finds, and in turn help us all as a collective. Alright, you guys, thank you so much again for watching. It is your girl, She's a Model, aka, well, Tanisha, aka She's a Model. And I hope you guys have a blessed and prosperous night or day whenever you are watching this. Don't forget, you guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much again for watching. One love. Peace.